Welcome to Legends Growth, the place where ordinary minds build extraordinary lives. If you're here, you're not average, you're becoming. Now listen carefully. This is the story of a man who lost everything in one day and found himself in the process. At 29, he had the job, the car, the respect. By 30, he had nothing. No job, no savings, no friends picking up his calls. People said he fell off, that they didn't see the truth. He didn't fall, he was forced to rebuild. His name was Saad. Corporate job, stable income, weekend parties, expensive lifestyle. He wasn't growing, he was maintaining. But comfort is dangerous, because comfort hides weakness. He depended on one salary, one company, one system, and one day, that system collapsed. The company downsized, Saad was replaced. 5 years of loyalty ended in 5 minutes. First month without income, it's okay. Second month, something will come. Savings drained, calls unanswered. Confidence cracked. Relatives started whispering, maybe he wasn't that talented. Maybe luck carried him. Every sentence hit harder than unemployment. At night he stared at the ceiling, asking himself, was I ever good, or just comfortable? Losing money hurts, but losing identity, that destroys you. He wasn't just jobless. He felt useless. He stopped going out, stopped answering messages, stopped believing in himself. Then one evening, he looked in the mirror and didn't recognize the man staring back. That was the lowest point. And sometimes, rock bottom is the best foundation. One morning he made a decision. Not emotional, not dramatic, simple. No more excuses. He realized something powerful. He had skills, but he never owned them. He depended on a company instead of building himself. So he started small, learning online, improving communication, studying sales, understanding business. No one applauded, no one noticed, but every day he became stronger. While others partied, he practiced. While others complained, he built. First freelance gig, rejected. Second attempt, failed. Third client, ignore him. But this time, he didn't break, because now he wasn't chasing money. He was building value. Month 4. First small payment. It wasn't big, but it was earned. And earned money hits different. 1 year later, he wasn't applying for jobs anymore. He had clients, multiple income streams, confidence returned. Not loud, not arrogant, just calm strength. Then something unexpected happened. The same company that fired him reached out, but this time, not to hire him, to collaborate. He smiled, because now he had leverage. Sometimes losing everything is the best thing that can happen to you, because it removes fake security, fake confidence, fake identity. It forces you to meet your real self. Comfort keeps you average. Pain makes you powerful. If you're struggling right now, if you feel embarrassed, if you feel behind, remember this. You are not finished. You are being rebuilt. The world may see your fall, but only you will see your rise. And when you rise, you won't just recover. You'll dominate. The day he lost everything was the day he gained control. So if life just knocked you down, good. Now you build properly. This is Legends Growth, where we don't escape reality. We master it. If this story gave you strength, don't just watch, apply it. Subscribe now and join a community that chooses discipline over distraction and growth over comfort. Stay focused, stay building, stay legendary.